Hey guys, I'm Emma Ryan, integrative nutrition health coach and founder and owner of Plant. Today we are talking about aloe vera juice. I love aloe vera juice for several different reasons. Right now it's the holiday season, Christmas is next week. It's a stressful time for a lot of people. It's a busy time for everyone. A lot of the time our digestive systems slow down, right? We're eating bad foods, we're eating foods we're not used to. It's go, go, go. We're out of our normal routines, things like that. So sometimes our digestive system takes the toll. That's when I love to use aloe vera juice. So I would recommend doing like 2 ounces a day as like a shot, like just shoot it back. It works, I promise. But aloe vera juice can be good for not only your digestive system, it can be good for acid reflux, for any heartburn, kind of anything that might be coming up, that can be helpful. The third thing is it can be good for your skin, for hydrating internally, so it can therefore reflect in your skin. There's a lot of benefits of aloe vera juice, but let me give you this example. So just like we put aloe vera gel, like the fresh aloe vera, on our skin whenever we're sunburned, right? It soothes the sunburn. That's what it does to the inside of our intestinal tract. So whenever we consume aloe vera juice, it soothes everything, right? It's very calming. It is not a laxative. It is not anything that forces your colon to pump, nothing like that, like other laxatives would do. So this is entirely natural. I would recommend, if it were me, I would do about 2 ounces a day to start. If that doesn't work, I do have some clients who would do 2 ounces in the morning and 2 ounces at night, but seriously, aloe vera juice is a game changer. So make sure you keep your digestive systems working over the holidays. Give this a shot. And let me know what questions you have or how I can help. Feel free to comment below, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you next time.